What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to monitor your credit reports with Klover. Let's get straight into the video. So accessing credit report monitoring, how you want to access that is to log into your Klover account, and then you want to click the credits or credit report tab, and then you can just link your credit report from one of the major credit bureaus. Could be Experian or TransUnion, whatever. Just link that there, and then you're going to be able to access credit reports. Now a couple of things to know when it comes to understanding your credit report. Of course, the first is the credit score, so you can view your credit score and understand how it's calculated. You could also review your credit report details, including things like accounts, inquiries, and public records. There's also the credit utilization ratio, where you can monitor your credit utilization ratio to ensure that it's within a healthy range. Now when it comes to credit report monitoring features, there are a couple of features that you can take advantage of. The first, of course, is credit score tracking, and that helps you to track changes to your credit scores over time. There's also credit report alerts, where you can receive alerts for changes to your credit report, such as new accounts or inquiries. You also got credit report disputes, that you can dispute errors on your credit reports directly through Klover. And of course, you have credit education resources, where you can access credit education resources to help you improve your credit health. Now, a couple of tips I got for you guys on monitoring your credit report with Klover. The first, of course, is to regularly review your credit reports to detect errors or changes. The second is to dispute errors on your credit report promptly to prevent damage to your credit score. So you want to make sure you do that as quickly as you can. And you also want to monitor credit inquiries to ensure that they are legitimate. And lastly, you can use credit education resources to improve your credit knowledge and health. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.